Hey everyone, I want to tell you about this amazing washing machine toy. It's not just any toy, it's like having a real mini washing machine right in your playroom. Here's why it's so awesome. First, when you turn it on, it makes cool washing sounds and has lights that make it look like it's really washing. And it can spin just like a real washing machine. Plus, it comes with a little basket and hangers, so you can do your own pretend laundry, just like your parents. It's perfect for your dollhouses and it's easy to carry and store. So having this washing machine toy isn't just fun, it's also a great way to learn and play at the same time. You'll love the realistic experience it brings to your playtime.